Hi, today we're talking about again of violence against women. Do you know the case of Giulia Tramontano? Giulia was a young girl and she was 7 months pregnant when she was stabbed to death by her partner and father of the child. He was involved in a secret relationship with another woman. The gruesome details of murder and Impegnatello attempts to conceal her body, together with his efforts to deflect attention from the police investigation, have contributed to making Tramontano's murder a major case for Italian media and the public. The woman's death and the death of her unborn baby caused a wave of emotion that reached the government, with the cabinet passing a new legislative package which includes measures to speed up legal processes involving victims of gender-based violence and extend the protection of women who have suffered stalking. Almost 74% of these femicides happened in a domestic environment, in line with global data which shows that women are more likely to die at the hand of a family member or a partner than a stranger, unlike men. Number around violence against women in Italy could be even worse than reported, as there is a lack of data on episodes that regard disabled women, migrant women, and women who suffer from drug addiction. A new law, which still needs to be approved by Parliament before coming into force, those accused of stalking, cyberbullying or domestic violence would be forced to stay 500 meters away from their victims' homes and other places they usually go. Victim of domestic violence, stalking and other crimes of this type would be constantly informed on the location of their aggressors and notified when they are released from prison. On top of that, a preventive measure would allow authorities to take away any weapon in possession of a person who has been already reported for any of the previous crimes. Elements of the new package, of course, are probably going in the right direction, but they are not enough. We cannot continue to work only and exclusively in the field of criminal law as we have done in the past few years, and it's clear from the fact that episodes of violence against women aren't decreasing but are becoming even more obscene in their violence. What the country needs in this moment is to educate people, starting from schools, to feel empathy and respect towards women. The problem, in fact, here in Italy is a lack of training, the ability to recognize that violence against women is a serious problem. We need education. We need the anti-violence centers to be able to go to the schools and talk to the kids about this topic. Most of the activities of the violence in schools are done by law enforcement agencies through programs against bullying, online violence, and so on. But they don't let associations like ours, for example, into schools because they are afraid of so-called gender ideology. To make people understand that there is a way out of this violence. We need to increase funding to the anti-violence centers, and we need to provide the tools for women to ask for help without feeling guilt and knowing that their physical integrity is their constitutional right. You are involved into a situation of domestic violence, please contact us and we will try to help you.